Thank you guys for all right. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Karate FX. I am going to go into my weekly outlook for gold. This is going to be for the week of Sunday, November 17th. Just jumping right into the charts. Last week, I pretty much called that I thought that we capped the high of the year because basically for the entire year, as we can see, gold has basically bought the entire year. And so when we're looking at this is the low of the year, and I'm saying that this is the high of the year, I don't think that price will get back above that. The reason being is because when we're looking at candle formation, we're looking at for this year an open low, high, close. So I think that we are basically trading the closing wick for the remainder of the year. Last week I called that we will be drawing here. That first draw has already been taken care of. Um, Also, this line right here is pretty much what I marked out last week. We are getting reaction from this -2 standard deviation. Um, we have made it all the way to 30%, a 30% retracement for the year already. Um, Typically, price likes to seek a premium and a premium or discount. The 50% would be a discount. Um, for me, typically you could say that this could be that you could be done for the year. If you caught this trade from here to here, you could be done for the year at a 30% retracement. But considering the speed of how fast gold has been basically uh, selling off, I really can see us getting to 50% retracement by the end of the year. Why? I really, I really like this low. It's also lining up with the -4 standard deviation. This is my final draw for the year. So I'm going to be selling gold basically until we hit these levels. We have a nice low here. We have a low that's been basically broken here, rated at a large impulsive move, a pullback here. And from this point on, this basically started the last couple quarters of the year, which basically impulsed all the way to where we are now. So this is why I like this area to basically unload sales. For the upcoming week, if we're looking at sales, we want to be looking at a weekly candle that looks like an open, high, low, close. So if we're opening up here and we have this imbalance, this daily imbalance here, I would like to see us go either into this imbalance and begin to break down from there, or we could go wick through this imbalance, tap into this old low, and then sell off from there. Basically, I would like for the bodies to continue to respect this imbalance here. I don't feel like anything could happen, but I just don't feel like price will get all the way up here to this daily order block here. But we are at a -2 standard deviation. Typically, you can see strong pullbacks from that point. So if we see this gap, this fair value gap, get disrespected, basically, then we can look for something like this. If this order block gets disrespected, I'm sorry, this fair value gap disrespected, and price trades through this and closes above, then we can use this to buy, do a short term buy, and then I would be literally targeting this order block here to then take this lower to our overall draw. If that doesn't happen, as we see the week develop, I would be looking to as I said earlier, if we open here, maybe coming into this gap, possibly getting into this old low and selling off from there. So let's let the market show its hand and tell us what it wants to do. But overall, I'm 100% still bullish, and I'm sorry, bearish. I'm 100% overall still bearish, and I am bearish up until 50% retracement. We have nice confluence, -4 standard deviation, old low. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at for the upcoming week. We also have, let me just open up silver as well. We also have silver moving in line as well. We see both reactions from the -2 standard deviation. So silver is actually closer to this this order block, in my opinion. So with that being said, we actually might see, since silver is actually the stronger pair in regards to buying, we could actually see silver go into this order block where gold will actually lag because it's the stronger seller right now. So gold will probably have a shorter uh, retracement or a shorter pullback, where silver could have a stronger pullback because of the nature of the SMTs at the top here. Okay. Actually it's the inverse. I'm sorry. I forgot. Taking a look at this now. Gold is actually, yes, it is going to sell off, but silver, since it failed to break this high here, it's actually the stronger pair to sell right now. So gold could actually go higher on the pullback, and silver can stay lower on the pullback because silver is actually the stronger seller. Gold is the stronger buyer right now. But overall, we're bearish both of these pairs. These are just going to be counter trend plays, if possible. But be very careful with the counter trend play right now because these are selling off pretty strong. So these this order block this order block should hold price. These should hold price regardless of whatever's going on. So that's what I'm looking at. I hope this makes sense for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those in the comment section below. And I'm happy to respond to any of those. So have a good trading week. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.